Today we're going to be making cookies. No, not the chocolate chip cookies, the banana oatmeal cookie. If you're really health conscious and you really crave one of those chocolate chip cookies, well then you can follow this recipe as it's a much healthier alternative. You know why? Ask me. Okay, because it's a way much healthier alternative as it uses no sugar. No sugar? How does it taste so sweet? Well, that's a secret and you'll find out later. Oh, and before we start cooking, why not be YouTube friendly and subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends? Okay, let me introduce the ingredients. But before we do that, remember when I said we're gonna add no sugar? Well, how does it become so sweet? Take your eyes off that chocolate because that's dark chocolate and that's bitter. But dark chocolate is also very healthy. So how does it become so sweet? The question still remains. It's because of the 50 grams of raisins that I have here and the banana. Now, the banana should be very, very ripe because then it's really easy to mash, and also depending on the size of the banana, we have oatmeal. Now, this oats is rolled oats. They're not like the quick instant oats, so these also have no sugar, basically. And I have took 1 cup of oats over here, but I will adjust that when I mix it. So the first step to make this delicious cookie is to smash the banana. This might take a while. Okay, so now my banana is getting smashed. Oh, poor banana, I feel sorry. And just make sure that it's kind of like a liquid, but so it's like a batter, sort of. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the oatmeal little by little into the smashed banana. Then I'm gonna put a little bit more. So I have gradually put a little, or maybe lots, of oats, and you should end up with something like a dough. Just get that inside. Okay, so like I said, I haven't used all the oats because it depends on the size of the banana. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of raisins. Again, just, yeah. I'm gonna mix it. And I'm gonna add the chocolate as well. Maybe you should just make the chocolate smaller pieces. Now that my mix is ready, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna place it on the tray. Ooh, it's sticky. Right. So now I have my 7 beautiful looking cookies and I'm gonna place them in the oven. Oh, they look so good. I really want to eat them, but they have to be baked. So my cookies just came out of the oven and they look delicious. And it's a little bit toasted, so they look nice. And I'm gonna taste and see how I did. Mmm! Wow, this is really good. Mmm. I can get the flavor of the raisins and the banana and the oatmeal. Victory never tasted so sweet. And you know, the fun fact about these cookies is that you can put them in a box and they stay like that for 1 week without getting spoiled. So if you want to eat them, just pop them in the microwave and they're ready and gooey to eat. Once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Till then, signing off, and YouTube Diaries. Bye!